If you don't like this video and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, nothing will happen. Absolutely nothing.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at moments which will make you question reality. I wonder, does it feel like skiing? Two huge titans clash for survival. I would never take this off if I had them. That's got to be the coolest helmet I've ever seen. I would love to try this one day, looks really fun. Bro woke up one day and chose to be Spider-Man. That's got to be the coolest or the weirdest thing I've ever seen on wheels. Damn, this guy is so smooth. I would never stop pressing keys on this guy's jackets. This looks so much fun. I think all of the snowboards should have lights. This kid looks like he knows what he is doing. This is what happens when James Bond starts becoming a waiter. Wow, what an amazing shot. How did this happen? Would you ever do this? It looks so scary to me. Have you ever seen a door this huge? Just listen to this greatest dap of all time. It's legendary. He really has the best gauntlet in the world.
Carnage symbiote.
This looks nice, but would you swim in here? I can't. I am scared of jellyfish. Bro is working really hard. I thought the ghosts were coming to get me.
Don't worry.
That looks really scary, but it's actually completely safe. That's not a car, that's a spaceship at this point. I thought all of that ice was going to break apart. Imagine sitting in that chair and looking up. I wonder how it tastes now. He fell into the hole and was never found ever. How the hell is this car still working? Is it a boat? This really looks like a recipe for dizziness.
Oh, she wants to stop!
There's no way this didn't hurt. This has got to be the laziest fail ever. This lake in Chile is actually red, it's not Photoshop. What is happening here? What is burning? Is she playing with a ghost? Bro got transported into the 1800s. Bro thinks he's an anime character. That is so amazing to witness in real life. This Vegas sphere is so amazing. That must be really fun to do. How can robots do this? This is crazy. That car is ruined for life. What is bro training for? This guy is standing next to what is called the gates of hell.
Today I'm in Turkmenistan.
I thought those were matchsticks at first. What if he accidentally dropped the money in the toilet? That kid's world just got turned upside down. This is what my classmates do in school instead of studying. This is crazy. I hope they do not have a patient in there. This guy really built a TV into his glasses. This man took an apple a day, keeps the doctor away too far. I wish I could do this at my house too. Is that thing alive or is it a toy? What is that boar eating? So gross. My guy has a little army in his house. That looks so cool. I would not ride that ride. That does not look pleasant. This is what this sphere was actually made for. Why do animals get better hair care than I do? Pretty sure I could do this. I can't ride a bike. Where can I get this, guys? I'd love to try that. This isn't scary at all.
Oh my god. Oh, that's so scary.
This guy would be the most wanted farmer in the 14th century. I would eat that too. Looks tasty. That is one big invasion of privacy. I wonder if it destroys the equipment. These types of things are so popular these days. I've always said McDonald's is fire. What is my guy wearing? What is wrong with him? What did my bro just catch? That's crazy. This must be the most damaged buses in history. This is why you shouldn't drive into ponds. Little bro has too much free time. Imagine looking through a window and seeing that. Never knew pufferfish were such badasses. What is this guy doing?
Wow.
This looks so good. That dough is just really shy. That guy is really pushing his limits. That's the hardest sandwich to eat. Tires look so much cooler with some white colorings. Fake money is still fake money. That place is a mess. Where does my guy work? And this is the marmot eating show. That is some really spicy food. Don't eat it, guys. Volcanoes are such a hard thing to capture, especially ones like this. This looked better without the cement. These ad campaigns are getting out of hand. Bro keeps all his money in the fridge. They're such lovely animals. I think he is a little bit too small for this car. What's up with that stick? Where is that balloon going? It left Earth. I think bro needs a hand. That looks rough. This bear returned home and took off his coat after a hard day's work. That is so cool. I just got hit with nostalgia. This looks so disgusting. What are we doing to our planet? That was an amazing jump. So cool. Bro is in a different league compared to us. This is a crazy level of skill I can only dream. He thinks he can control a lightning strike or what? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, tap one of these videos, tap one which looks the best for you because not me, YouTube itself thinks you will love it. So you have to figure out the reason for that.